What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I am here inside the Gasorn Mall tower, and look at this cool restaurant. It's like an autumn theme. I want to keep it very low key because I don't want to draw any attention, but look how fancy and elegant that looks. Look at that. There's even a person playing a piano. Yeah, very cool. Alright, let's make our way out of here and onto the street level. Look how huge this mall is, just like every mall. Yeah, look at that. Back upstairs. So there it is. Nice theme, nice autumn theme. Alright, let's make our way outside of the street. Outside to the street. So yeah, this is another mall here in Bangkok. Gasorn Village. And this is the Gasorn Tower. So let's go to the Erewhon Shrine. Let's check out that. Club 21. So yeah, more of a low-key mall. Not as busy as other malls, but you know, that's not a bad thing. So there is a shrine over there, very popular shrine. Could be hard to cross, but let's see if we can cross it somehow. To get a closer look. So here is a shrine. There's the BTS station. Or the BTS line. So let's make our way over here. I don't know too much about this shrine. But yeah, it's very popular. It's a very popular thing here. You know. Alright, so Erewhon, Bangkok. So this is the popular mall, and over there is the Louis Vuitton Cafe. The Louis Vuitton Cafe. And I've never been there. Always wanted to go there one day. Wow, look at all this traffic here. That is a lot of traffic. Gasorn Village. So let's walk around this area, check it out. Just see what it has to offer. Erewhon, Bangkok. I wonder what's inside of here. Is it just more another mall, or is it something else? Let's see. Oh, pretty cool. Looks like we got some art here. Up here. Not sure what this is, guys. Not sure if this is a mall or what this is. It looks very fancy. Some kind of art gathering, some art shop place. Not sure. Oh, this looks like super fine dining. Make our way back out of here. I feel like I shouldn't be here. lot of security. Everyone looks very well dressed. And here I am with the GoPro, or DJI action cam. That's right. I like my DJI. Like, look at this. What is this? Wow, fancy. Very fancy. All this looks very expensive. 60,000 baht. Wow. This one's 33,000 baht. Wild. Alright, let's go back out. Yeah. Wow. Let's make our way over to the Louis Vuitton Cafe. And yeah, check it out. Maybe go inside there. So there's the Louis Vuitton Cafe. I don't know, I think it's also a restaurant. Cafe / restaurant. Alright. Let's go inside here. There it is. Let's get an outside view here. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton City Guy. Interesting. Very cool. Bangkok. Alright, let's see what this Skatestorm Village area is all about. So it is a mall, I guess. Well, I knew it was a mall, but I wasn't sure if this was the mall or if the place where I just left was the mall. Look how empty this place is. Yeah, it looks very, very big. Here's the Louis Vuitton. So I guess you can go up there. Maybe we should go up there. Well, let's check it out. Louis Vuitton first. Yeah, guys, hope you enjoy the adventures with me. What did I come through? I can't find the door anymore. Is this it? That's not it. Okay, it is it. Couldn't even tell that was a door. Yeah, guys, like I said, I hope you enjoy my adventures with me. Make sure and subscribe if you haven't already for more adventures here in Bangkok. So, Louis Vuitton. Good old Louis Vuitton. So there's the actual store. Louis Vuitton store. Let's see what's over here. So yeah, this is just a shopping mall. Very fancy shopping mall. Let's see. Nico. There's the skywalk. I'm going to start, I've always told myself I wanted to start trying more of these premium coffee places because I've become such a big coffee fan. So I definitely got to start trying more of these premium coffee spots just to get a feel for it, and you know, I should document it just to do some reviews for you guys. I've been wanting to do that for a while. Tabla Craft Coffee. So be on the lookout for that project. Coffee reviews. Bangkok coffee reviews. Just look at the design on this. It's very well designed. I guess this is a restaurant. I see a bar over there. Food court. Food court, 4th floor. Let's go to the 4th floor and check out the food court. This weather is very nice. I'm really enjoying this weather. It's supposed to be rainy season. Dry season. But because we're getting this mixed air from China, it's brought in some rain and cool weather, so that's pretty cool. Alright, bakery house. Drinks, dancing, dumplings. I like the design and decoration on this mall. All very unique. Okay, so there's a food court. How do we get over there? I think over here. Yeah. Check out the food court. Thai food restaurant. Bakery shop. Another bakery shop. Smoothies. No tea. We got some food here. More food there. Oh, it's just another food court area. Normal prices. And it's quite empty, not like others. Hey, the prices look pretty normal. I thought it'd be more expensive because of the area I buy. I guess not. At least not for these smaller shops here. And there's a lot of options. I think I might just come here more often since it's more empty. There's even options in the middle. Let's check it out. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's all over there. Drink place. Oh yeah, this place has a lot of options. Alright, let's make our way down here and see what else there is over here. Yeah, I've never been to this place. Very interesting. Alright. Let's make our way over here. So yeah, if you like fancy shopping, fancy things, come here. Won't be. It's worth checking out. Let's see what else they have. Oh, it feels good in here. Let's see what else they have. Alright, let's make our way back outside. A lot of art stuff. A lot of artsy stuff. 5,600. Alright, making my way back to the front area now. While still checking out all this art and design and stuff. Another coffee place here. We got a bar over there. Make our way back down here. So there is the BTS skywalk that I am currently on. So I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Just wanted to show you a preview, or give you a review on my thoughts on this Gaysthorn Village Mall area, and I'm gonna make my way back to my home and enjoy for the rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure and subscribe if you're new here. There's a lot of people that watch my videos that don't subscribe, so do me a favor, help me out here if you like the videos, or give it a like, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Again, see you in the next video. Peace.